What's up, guys? We got a UST, the ultimate survival technologies. Sabercut chainsaw. It's a compact chainsaw cutting tool. Chain length is 24 inches. Or 660 millimeters. You got a weight of 4.3 ounces. It's pretty light. $9.82. This is the little bag it gives you to carry it. And that's it. They don't give you like a case or anything like that. Little rubber bands. They'll hold it. Pretty cheesy with the rubber band thing, but gotta do it. Look at this damn thing. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Gotta be careful, it's supposed to be sharp. It looks pretty well constructed. It only has, one line of stitching. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but it looks like it goes in and out. So I forget what kind of stitching they call that when they use a sewing machine. The wire ones that I've bought before, they break very easily and they suck. So we're gonna try this baby out on this tree right here. It's a dead tree. It snapped in half, must be in some weather or something. Wow. Look at get a close up of that cut. Look at that cut, guys. That was pretty nice. That worked out pretty well. It's way better than I thought. I'll get a close up of me going through it. Sweet, guys. I would say that's pretty worth it. 10 bucks. Works good, I like it. How's it look? Yeah. Woo, woo. Yo, 10 bucks. You guys seen it? Reaper Militia Sidetrack. Thanks for watching, everybody.